All right, guys, another day, another delicious juice. Today I'm making a juice using these ingredients. I'm going to be using a green apple, some celery, some fresh cilantro, and some kale. And guys, these are my favorite type of drinks. I like drinks that are heavy on the greens, the leafy greens, like the kale, like the cilantro, and sweetened with a green apple. To me, this combination, any healthy leafy greens sweetened with a green apple, adding some celery or some cucumber to create more substance, are the best drinks. They're the smoothest, they're the healthiest, and they taste the best. So I'm excited about making this juice to share with you and having some myself. And then when I'm done with this juice, I'm going to show you what you can do with the pulp so that there's zero waste from making this juice. All right, let's get to it. So I love eating and juicing with cilantro. For those who aren't familiar, cilantro is a great detoxifier and can cleanse the body really well, so you'll see me using it a lot. Okay, so we created our delicious juice. Now let's do something with the pulp that we created. What I'm gonna do is make a delicious hummus. Now, I'm gonna use the vegetable pulp that we created. We're gonna use some chickpeas, some lemon, garlic, and some tahini. A pretty straightforward basic hummus recipe, but man, it's still delicious. Let's put it together. So the number one question I get about my juicing videos is, what do you do with the pulp? Well, this is one way I use it, and I'm gonna show you lots more. Okay, and just like that, we used our pulp to make this delicious vegetable hummus. We know it's healthy because of what's in it, and it's also delicious because of what's in it. No waste.